YouTube, what is up? I'm back in the garage with the Z, and I'll be cleaning out my garage today. It is a mess from working on it from the past few months. I got spare parts everywhere. By the way, if anybody needs any taillights, drive shafts, anything with a Z, I might have it. Rear diffs, got a couple of them laying around and stuff. Tires, wheels, whatever. Let me know. I might have it. Drop it in the comments, hit me up on Instagram. I'll get to you. But for right now, before I even start this video, I'm gonna clean up this garage, and I wish it was this easy, but all right. Whew. Of course it wasn't that easy. Hey, wearing something different. David's about to come over, and I wanted to get all this stuff up right here, but I think this is organized enough to work on a car. And I'll get this stuff up after David's done. So anyhow, what we got to do today is this wheel got a little bit of a D-beat action and drove down the road a little ways like that. So I'm gonna sand all that back down, get that all smooth. Here's where it went through the tire at. Of course, it used to be stretched, so it didn't always look like that. But then after that, I'm gonna take some rear camber out of the Z. It's about at 4 degrees. It doesn't look like it. Everybody thinks I'm at 0 because the front wheels are so tilted. But it's actually at 4 degrees in the rear, and it should sit out a little bit once that's all done with. So anyhow, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And then we'll figure out what's wrong with David's Evo. It's an Evo, so it's always broken. Everybody knows how that goes. By the way, no hate on an Evo. They just, for some reason, are always broken. So yeah. All right, so as you see, it's a lot smoother on the inside. What I was using was these 60 grit pads, sand down the actual face of the wheel, of the inner rim and then the outer. One thing about wheels is it doesn't seal on this part of the tire. That's the reason why when you see people stretch, you don't even see this whole edge touching. See if I can get that to focus a little bit better. There we go. But it seals in here, in this inner corner right here. David's outside, that's the reason why my dogs are barking now. So this is just really cosmetic, but you, of course, you know, if you touch it and it's all rough like that, you'll cut your finger and everything. But a little bit of 60 grit and pretty much it'll fix itself. Let me see if I can focus a little bit better on that. There you go, see? What used to be this ugly ate up edge is now coming to life. So I'm gonna do a couple more passes on this with a new sheet of 60 grit, and then this thing should be right on money. All right, there we go. Almost as smooth as when it was stock. Or new, should I say. Alright, so I took the wheels off. Got the car sitting on some blocks. It's not sitting on that scissor jack, it's just underneath the car. And this lug nut stud right here is causing me some issues. It stripped one of my lug nuts already. This one did too. This is actually a hub that's not original to my car. And I guess the hub was thrown around a bit. So by the way, This is nothing big. I just cut myself a little bit. But anyways, this stud's causing me issues just like this one was. I guess the hub was thrown around a little bit. So we're gonna cut that down just a few threads. I don't know if I should say I recommend this to anybody, but this is what I do. If the very tip of the lug nut stud is messed up, I'll just take an angle grinder with the cutoff wheel. I'll come in ever so perfect and I'll nick the tip of it off. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Wow, looks like I can let you break up. No. Definitely wear all your safety equipment, safety glasses, gloves, whatever you need for the task at hand. So, here we go. Let's see if I can get that to zoom in a little bit better. So there we go. Didn't cut this one off as good as I usually do, but a little bit of sandpaper will cure that. And we'll try to thread a lug nut on it. You want to be really careful threading the lug nut on it for the first time. Really careful. Take a lug nut, make sure it threads on. Let's do this one because it's not cut. And it does. Perfectly fine. Now I'll take it and I'll put it up here. And you want to carefully, you want to carefully twist. Look at that. Like butter. So that's how I repair lug nut studs. That's how I make sure they're all good. Like I said, I don't know if I should recommend that to everybody, but see, that's the other one I cut. That was one of the good ones that I just used. That one works. That one works. And last, that one works. So that's my fix on that. And by the way, today's a new day. I just decided to make it one video so you have a little bit more meat inside of it. I actually have Ryan coming over with the black Miata, and we're gonna be putting on nothing else but carbon fiber overs on the Miata. So I'm a little bit excited about that. Hope y'all are too. And yeah, we'll have some more videos right now.
I think he's recording now.
Are you recording?
No,
No,
I'm not. I'm just pointing the camera at you.
Wait, is he recording?
No.
I can't drill.
No, why can't you drill while I'm recording?
Well, it's good right here.
Center the tape more.
Why would I need to center the tape?
So then you drill in the center of the tape, you know?
Why would I be? Who gives a
But then
whatever, man. You know what?
I'm just
And this make you feel
logically
better.
it makes
We'll put the tape on it.
You're so fucking ignorant.
You know what I mean?
After I finish drilling this, I'm gonna drill your mom. That's what I'm gonna drill. Your mom with this dick. Okay, let's stop that.
That's what I was gonna drill you. I was like, oh shit.
That's a real fucking shift poop right there.
He's like, alright, let's stop that.
Shit. God, what an asshole. I can't believe people actually watch him.
That sounds safe.
Shut up, Robbie. Oh, you know what?
You want me to send this piece of tape too?
Oh no.
Oh wait, I definitely
might
want to
center
I
that.
had to center that up. That is just
Yeah, that's
so
just too
wrong,
uncentered.
Like, whoa.
I hope your glasses break.
See, I hit a wheelbarrow. These things still didn't break.
Yeah, someone hit you in the face.
No, well they did with a shoe on accident with my mouth.
Oh man, that's sacrilegious right there. Let's just move that over.
I'm gonna break my
We're
glasses.
pussies and we can't have the tape not centered. All right, come on, you gonna hold it or what?
God damn, I hate you. Wait, center the tape.
Shut the fuck up.
Whoa, that felt like it hit something. Just playing. Keep going, man.
Because it did.
One more. I'm gonna move this up a little bit.
Oh well.
What?
I was trying to get a before and after, and the light is surprisingly good over here in this camera.
Wow. Yeah, the camera's like great with no lighting.
It's surprising. I'm not gonna lie. What are you doing? Centering the tape again?
All right, you gonna unscrew that one now? We'll pop it off.
Where's my
We'll screw some bigger holes and everything. Call it a day.
Well, other
Yeah,
side.
play with that.
No, one side.
Just one side?
Just buy one fender.
Okay.
Well, I'm pretty sure y'all saw my tutorial before, which was a lot more fun because I actually was a man and I cut my quarters. But this guy right here, he's only a man when he's running into stuff in parking lots. Backwards.
Slowly.
Yeah.
2 miles an hour.
Not sending it whatsoever.
Your door has a dent in it.
And it's not my fault.
We can trim that out. Y'all didn't hear nothing. Trim that out. See? Whatever he says
Gavin's
is
learned how to
trimmed
edit
out.
video.
No, come on.
All right, I'm gonna be actually try to be sensible here.
Okay.
Now I've had to delete a whole lot of footage by now because something happened. But anyways, Ryan has these metal ones that I've never seen before. I don't like them, but they're doing the job well. The reason why I don't like them is that the hole has to be the exact size, or you have to hammer it like he's doing
I'm not hammering.
into a hole. But anyhow, here they are right here.
Don't buy them.
I mean,
Just kidding. They're
they're like significantly cheaper than the rubber ones, but and they still work. What did you just do? Bro, what did you just do? What did you just do? Move your hand. Guys, no, bro, we really need to see this. You gotta let the viewers know what they can't do. Oh my,
Alright.
oh my god.
It jumped!
I'm trying to focus.
What is this thing?
And you know what, man? It won't even focus on this hole. It's so messed up.
It doesn't.
Look at this. Look like he got shot. What is this? He looks like he got shot in his car. Oh my god. Right on camera. This is great timing, bro. Great timing. We're gonna cut and we're gonna come back and like we're gonna fix that somehow.
Never thought I could like someone and hate them as much as I hate you, Davin.
What? What do you mean? Why can't you say as much as you like me?
I also like you. Put those washers.
Yes, I do. No, I tossed them into the yard. I mean, I didn't think you needed them anymore. Thought we were going full send.
Why are you recording me again?
Huh? We like you. The people want to see.
Where's Waldo, bitch? Where's Aldo?
Where's Aldo?
Hey, you know what? That's a freaking store. It's a grocery store. Oh, is it? Damn it. I can't get shit right. And cut! Alright guys. Everybody's leaving. That's it for this video. Alright, now everybody's really leaving. That's it for this video. Deuces. Yo, if anybody's new out there and you like that video, please like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up for me too. Show some support. I really appreciate it.
Ignore that.
I drive a Miata, so.
It comes stock with a boyfriend, and that's me.
It comes stock with a boy. Hey, you missed